Mm. Good morning, dear class students of the festival. We started a new chapter. We completed statistics, 14th chapter. Today, 13th chapter. Very interesting. Probability. It is useful in our daily life. Playing tossing a coin. One time, two times, three times, 100 times, 1,000 times. Game. It is a game of chances. Getting, winning or losing the game. It is only numerical value. Events in this we already learning 9th class. In some textbooks, in 8th class also, probability introduced. In this probability, sure events, compulsory, sure, certainly happens. So, that is, its value is 1. Elementary event, we say elementary event. It cannot happen, impossible event. Its probability 0. For certain event or sure event, the value is 1. So, probability is nothing but it is a game of chances. It is a game of chances, only numerical value. It has only numerical value, and he made contributions on probability. Simon. Simon, given in the textbook, says also, you can see this. And some other mathematicians also worked on this. Italian physician J. Carden. First book on the subject. The book on games of chances, James Brodley and D. Movier and Pierre Simon Laplace are among those who made significant contributions on probability. So it is only game, chances of game, winning or losing. If you toss a coin, you will get head or tail, head or tail. So shortly we write H comma T. If we toss one time, if you toss a coin two times, one time, two times, tossing a coin two times, tossing a coin two times. What are the possible outcomes we say? We say possible outcomes. Here one time, tossing a coin, one time, we get the possible outcomes are head and tail. If we toss two times, let us see what are the possibilities. Possible outcomes. See, 4. We may get HH, HT. with the tail th. Totally we get 2 squared 4. Here 2 one time only two possibilities. Suppose tossing a coin three times. Coin three times. Possible outcomes. Favorable outcomes means if you want you are playing a game, what is the choice? The game is on head, that is favorable outcome. Suppose other player is there, he may choose tail, so his favorable outcome is tail. That is, we say favorable. Among the outcomes, some of the favorables. Okay. Tossing a coin three times, what are the possibilities here? See, H, three possibilities with H, and with the second time HHT, third time HTT, fourth time H otherwise HTT. These are the possible outcomes with head. And if we start with the tail, there are possibilities to get three tails: tail, head, H. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So three times means 2 cube. Total number of outcomes are 8. So these are the possible outcomes. Favorable outcomes means our game target is getting only 3 heads or 3 tails. They are favorable outcomes. These are all possible outcomes. Possible outcomes, favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes. And events. In this, what is the event here? Tossing a game, rolling a dice, D-I-C-E. It has 6 faces, 6 numbers. On the dice, there are 6 faces. On each face, 1 dot. First face. Second face, 2 dots. Third face, 3 dots. 4 dots. 5 dots. 6 dots. Some on dice numbers also written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dice is nothing but a cube. A regular cube. It has 6 faces. There are 6 numbers. 6 numbers means again there are odd numbers, even numbers, composite numbers, prime numbers like that. Again he may ask any question. Odd numbers, they are called favorable outcomes. These 6 are total outcomes on one dice. If you throw a dice, you will get any one number. That number may be odd or even or prime or composite, a perfect square, like that. That is favorable outcomes. They are favorable. Total outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are favorable outcomes. These are possible outcomes total. And favorable outcomes are, suppose you want to get a odd number. Odd number means 1, 3, 5. It is a favorable outcome. favorable total. And event, what is the event here? Throwing a dice. What is the event here? Tossing a coin. And there are so many events in our daily life. They are events. So, the probability property formula PE. E stands for event. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Event means any game. There are in a box, in a bag, some red balls, white balls, green balls are there. At random, you have to pick one ball, red, that is favorable. That is also an event. There are every problem is an event. So event, E stands for event. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. The probability is always lies between 0 equal to and probability PE 0 to 1, PE less than or equal to 1. Less than 1, equal to 0, equal to 0. Okay. Not less than 0, not less than 0 is it lies between 0 to PE only next. PE less than or equal to 1. PE is probability of an event lies always equal to 0 and less than 1. Less than 1. 0 to 1. Its value lies between 0 to 1. More than 1 and less than 1. Never be probability of an event is never be negative and not more than 1. See, probability of an event is never be negative and not more than 1. And probability of an event and its complementary event, not event, sum of these two is always 1. This is symbol, not E, sum of these two is 1. Probability and not probability. Total will be always 1. Suppose there are in the events, there are red balls, in a bag there are some balls, red balls, green balls, blue balls like that. See given here, balls. 3 red balls. Suppose in a bag there are 3 red balls, and 5 black balls red, not red. Probability of red is 3 out of 8. So according to formula, probability of red is red now how many? 3 by total number of balls 8. 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is the probability of red. And not red. Not red means black. How many? 5. Not red. Not red means black. Black. Black means here 5. 5 by 8. And we see probability of red balls and probability of not red balls. Not red balls means the ball here right in line. Right. This is read as not red. Read as not red. Sum of these two is 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8, always 1. 8 by 8, LCM 8, 3 plus 5. So 8 by 8. 8 by 8 is 1. Like this. See, these are the points of probability. Probability is just chapter. In the second paper, from 8 to 14, from 8th chapter to 8th chapter to 14 chapters. 14 chapters. Among the 14, these 7 chapters, there are 7 chapters in the first paper, 7 chapters for second paper, and among this is 13th chapter probability, very easy. Easy to score marks. You did not apply any formula in this. So much this is easy compared to other chapters. So very interesting chapter. You please go through this. Follow. You will see in the first paper sets 1 to 7 chapters are there. Among the 7 chapters, sets chapter. Second chapter is easiest when compared to other chapters. And easy to score marks. You please concentrate on these easiest chapters. See, here some questions are given. Complete the following statements. Probability of an event E, probability of the event not E, is the sum of these two is 1. 13.1. Probability of an event that cannot happen is impossible. Impossible event. Impossible event probability is 0. Such event is called impossible event. The probability of an event that is certain to happen is sure event. It is called sure event. Its value is 1. Sure event probability is always 1. You must know probability of an event not greater than 1, never be greater than 1, and never be negative. Please remember these points. Probability of, if you do any problem on probability, your answer will be 0, equal to 0 or equal to 1, or in middle 0 to 1, but not more than 1 and not negative. It never be negative. So you please remember, important. Answer will be always between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. And equal to 0 or equal to 1. Equal to 0 is impossible event. And equal to 1 is sure event or certain event. Please remember, it never be negative and not more than 1. The sum of the probabilities of all elementary events of an experiment is always 1. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. Okay. Equally likely outcomes. Equally likely outcomes meaning is the outcomes are equal, same. If when we toss a coin, we get only one head or one tail. There are only equal chances for getting head or tail. So that they are called equally likely experiments, outcomes. A driver attempts to start a car, the car starts or does not start. Yes, when we put switch, when we want a start a car, when we put a key in that engine, when we twist like this, it may start or may not start. So they are equally likely. So the car may be start or may not start. So equally likely. Such events are called equally likely. Second, a player attempts to shoot a basketball. He shoots or misses or yes. It may shoot or the shoot may be miss. Shoot may miss or it may hit the target. A trial is made to answer a true or false question. There are possibilities only for answering whether it is true or false. The sun rises in the east. We say it is true. The sun rises in the north. False. So there are chances only true or false. So they are equally likely. A baby is born. It is a boy or a girl. If a woman delivers a child, the child may be boy or girl. But twins are there, but we don't think that. Normal, regular, maximum, majority woman gives birth to one boy or one girl. So it is also equal. So like that. If the probability of an event is 0.05 given, the probability of an event PE given 0.05, and what is the probability of not event? What is the probability not event? PE dash. PE dash is 1 minus 0.05. When we subtract it, we get 0.95. Yes. A bag contains lemon flavored candies. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability of she takes out an orange flavor? The black in the first only is saying lemon flavored candies in the bag, but asking is orange, so it is impossible. That's why its answer is 0. An orange flavored, but bag contains lemon flavored. It is there in the question. So asking is orange, but given candies are lemon flavor, so it is 0. Lemon flavored candy, so 1. Like that. Rahim removes all the hearts from the cards. What is the probability of about deck of cards? I explain now. It is a given that group of 3 students. one boy probability date of birth probability given like this, and other boys, what is the probability of that two students have the same birthday? Meaning is see subtract from 1 minus 9 9. This is P of E given, and asking not E, subtract, you will get 0.008. Subtract, not means subtract from 1. Okay. See about cards, deck of cards given in the textbook. You might have in some parents play cards. You may have in some students may have cards in your houses. See, some students may not. But don't worry, you need not purchase. There are 4 groups that I am explaining now. Deck of cards. Playing cards. There are 4 groups, 4 types of cards. There are club is like this. We say club. 13 cards are there. In 30, among the 13 cards, there is one king. We say king. Next queen. Next dog. J. Dog. Jockey, king, queen. See, there are 13. These 3 cards are face cards. These 3 cards are called face cards. Face cards. There are king face. On the playing card we see a king face, a queen face, a jockey face. So we name these 3 cards are face cards. And first card number 1, ace, we say ace, A, start with A. Next 2, next 3 like this, numbers up to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Dash, dash, dash. 10. Next jockey. Next queen. Last king. This is ascending order. They don't write A1, they write A. So this is club. Similarly, spade. Spade is like this. Just spade. This is spade. Colored as black, and these are black color. Colored as black color. And again same series, same pattern, same A1, A2, 3, 10, jockey, queen, king. In this also same A, 2, 3, dash dash, 10, jockey, queen, king. In this also, on each card, the sign will be spade. We say this is club, this is spade, spade. And these are black color. So 13 plus 13, 13 plus 13. 26 black color cards. And next, red colored bars, red colored cards, red color. Okay. In this heart, they are red color. They are colored as in red color. Same A start 2, 3 dash 10 jockey queen king. So all the cards are written colored as heart A 2, 3. On each card there is symbol heart. So there are 13 heart cards. Say 3 face cards, 3 heart face cards, 3 spade cards, 3 club. Next diamond. In diamond also same A. First one 2, 3 dash 10 jockey queen king. So on each group there are 3 face cards, 3 club cards, 3 spade cards, face cards, and 3 heart face cards, and diamond face cards are also 3. Totally face cards are how many? 12. 12 face cards. 12 face cards. So you must have the knowledge of these cards. Black colored club spade. Red colors are heart and diamond. In every series there are 13 cards. 13 club, 13 spade, 13 heart, 13 diamond. Totally 52. Possible outcomes, total possible outcomes are 52 in this deck of cards. There are 52. Among the 52, 13 are club, 13 are spade, 13 are heart, 13 are diamond. Totally, these two are red in red color and these two are in black color. Please study this. Every student should know all these points about cards. Important. You need not purchase deck of cards. Just you see given in page number 317. Page number 317. Page 317. Next. So you practice this first exercise at home and let us do problems on problems. Okay, thank you.